Dear students, it's me Abdul Fadi from grade 5th and today I will show some science experiments. So let's get started. In first science experiment, I have taken a candle and an orange peel. When I press orange peel, there comes water substance like and which is a chemical called limonene. What is this limonene chemical? It's a chemical which is highly flammable. When I took it near the candle and press it, as you can see there are sparks on candle. I told you which is a limonene chemical which is very flammable, so that's why there are sparks on candle. So let's move towards next experiment. In next experiment, I have to a water glass and I will pour some shampoo in it and I will mix it well. And then I will pour some glycerin, which is a beauty product. And we will mix it again. Now let me show the results. As you can see, I created bubbles. Now let me show the results. As you can see, I created bubbles which having fun. Kids can use it to have fun. Let me show again. As you can see, bubbles. So I hope you liked my video. Thank you very much.